In this compilation, we've curated top-tested lab picks and sought-after products for the best shaving experience. We also provide insights on electric razor usage, informed choices, and proper cleaning practices. For longevity seekers, Yaman Hot Shave offers the longest battery life, up to 4 hours 37 minutes, and a lengthy cord. With 6 international adapters and dual voltage, it's an ideal travel companion, standing out as one of the quieter models in our testing. Notably, it features a praised, heated setting. Testers love the comfortable feel of the RF warming option with shaving cream, highlighting a smooth glide for a close shave. Easy navigation and use, even without instructions, make it user-friendly. As a luxury shaver, Braun Series 9 Pro 9477cc earns high consumer scores for maneuverability, storage, and minimal irritation. Users appreciate its effectiveness comparable to manual razors, despite critiques on the less user-friendly beard trimmer and cleaning system. The switch for a stationary or dynamic shaver head adds versatility, with a storage case facilitating easy transport during trips. Effortlessly navigating smaller areas, Philips Norelco S9000 Prestige secures the highest consumer score. Sturdy, yet lightweight, with substantial battery life, it offers a satisfying shaving experience, despite being somewhat bulky with its cleaning center. Users praise its handle fit and effective feedback on pressure and movement for a close shave. A wallet-friendly choice, Conairman Ultimate Trim offers extended use from a quick charge. Standing out as one of the quietest razors, it effectively handles heavy beards and mustaches. While quick to charge, it requires the longest time for a full charge, a consideration for users planning their next use. Testers appreciate its strong motor, sharp precision for cutting beards, and versatile attachments for ear and nose grooming. Claiming the top spot, Panasonic Arc 6 luxury electric shaver excels in gliding effortlessly for a close, swift shave. With a perfect consumer score, it boasts the shortest charging time and quiet operation. Despite a somewhat bulky cleaning station, users find its performance unmatched. Testers declare it the best all-around electric shaver, emphasizing its closeness, ease of use, self-cleaning feature, and impressive battery life.